Getting started with our spark plug here, I managed to, unlike last time, didn't have a ratchet. I managed to finally get one. Unfortunately, being too poor, I managed to sneak some money. Sneak some money, and get a deep socket for it. Forgive me for like I said, I'm not a professional in forgetting my sizes for sockets. But if bear with me, I'll bear it back. Usually the spark plug is where most of the combustion and gas is usually what happens inside of the chamber, and the gas in the carburetor, how do I best describe this? I'm usually the type of person that sees best inside my head, but badly describes. The fuel will come down into the carburetor. The carburetor is what mixes, and air and gas flows into the piston. And then from there, best described as the piston is moving back and forth in the right amount of timing, the spark plug ignites the fuel and causes the piston and gas to ignite. Best described. That's pretty much understandable, but if the spark plug isn't working correctly, then that can kind of cause a problem. So, looking for the right size deep socket here, we need to make certain that that is actually looking pretty good. Obviously no. Why is it closed but no cigar? Bingo! Success! As we can see, that's pretty oily. It's probably because of it being tilted. My own stupid mistake. Well, if you're the type of person that can learn from mistakes, try not to repeat them. But that's okay. Usually if it's something like how do they best describe it? I had a book that best described on what different ones told you on if a